Hello, it's Tuesday the 21st. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So what a time to be a central banker. While the wider banking sector is still very nervous about the contagion risk, the Bank of England needs to consider things pretty carefully when they vote on a rate hike. David Blanchflower has been on. He was an MPC member during the 2008 financial crisis, and he's been talking up some pretty radical action to get ahead of the issue right now. While the wider market expects a 25 basis point rate hike, Blanchflower believes that a rate cut could send a positive signal that the Bank of England is not going to wait for an escalation before taking action. The idea of a 1.5% rate cut, well, that suggests that Blanchflower is no wallflower. Punchy stuff, David. Over in the US, Powell has taken a lot of criticism about this mess, largely because he presided over the changes to the regulatory environment that have contributed to this mess. Lee Brainard is a key character in the current soap opera, and she will be firmly on team told you so right now. Before leaving to be the director of the National Economic Council, she was Fed governor for 10 years, and when she became deputy Fed chairman, she was widely expected to replace Powell in the top spot. She consistently warned of the risks as the US regulation was being eased. She feared that this kind of crisis was a significant danger once looser regulation was introduced. And while the regulatory environment certainly has played a part, allowing the banks to load up their balance sheets once again, tighter monetary policy from the past 12 months of rate hikes has also played a part. So Powell is very much getting it from both angles right now. Fear in the financial market stems from the uncertainty around the liquidity crunch and what other problems this may cause in due course. Where Credit Suisse had to be acquired by UBS, we can ignore how Debit Suisse wanted to call it a merger. Bless them and their hurty little banker egos. But the cut price of the UBS acquisition has certainly raised questions about other banks and the current state of their balance sheets too. So the Fed face a tricky decision at their meeting today, and if they vote for no rate hike, it may be a double-edged sword. Obviously, this will soften the impact that it was having on inflation, but it could also be taken as acknowledgement that the liquidity squeeze is more serious than anyone is admitting right now. That could fan the flames of fear even further. In the market, the dollar index fell to 103.25 as contagion fears are the main driver of volatility ahead of the Fed meeting, and sterling rallied to 122.85 against the dollar yesterday. We open around 122.50 against the dollar. We're about 114.30 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 107.15 on the open. Right, that's it from me. Have a great day. Be lucky.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.